Good day, everybody. Welcome to English in Cape Town with teacher Theresa. Today we are looking at when are we going to use a and an with our nouns. What are our nouns? Nouns are people, places, animals, and things. So people like doctor, teacher, nurse, policeman. Places, home, school, hospital, park. Animals, cats, dogs, camels, birds, and things, table, pen, hair, things. So we use a or an in front of a singular noun, one noun. If we look at the examples on the board, you'll see I have an ant. An ant. Why an ant? Anytime when your noun starts with a vowel, like ant is an animal, so ant starts with the vowel A, we use an ant. The second one we have ball. Ball. Ball starts with B, which is a consonant, so we just use a ball. Then we have egg. Egg, thing. Egg starts with a vowel E, so we will say an egg. An egg. Then we have park. Park is a place, yes? So when we talk about one park, we will say a park. A park. And the last one, doctor. Doctor, person. Teacher, doctor. Doctor starts with a D consonant, so we say a doctor. So let's take a look at those nouns and a and an again. An ant. An ant. A ball. A ball. An egg. An egg. A park. A park. A doctor. A doctor. Now, I want you to practice with me, because when we speak in day to day, we don't say every vowel or word like a and an all the time very clearly. When we speak day to day, we will say an ant. The an and ant, we almost make one word. So we will say an ant. An ant, an ant. A ball, we'll say a ball. Do you hear? It almost sounds like it's one word. A ball. A ball. An egg, we will say an egg. An egg. Do you hear that? An egg. Yes, it is an egg, but when we speak, we say an egg. A park. A park, we will say a park. A park. Or a doctor, we will say a doctor. A doctor. Do you hear? It almost sounds like one word. One word when we use a or an with our singular noun. Now let's go and look at some more examples. Now remember, we said when a word starts with a vowel, like in apple, orange, and umbrella, we will use an. And when a word, a noun, starts with an H, like in hospital, consonant, or B in baby, it will be a. So we will say an apple. Yes? An apple. Sorry, my writing is a little bit skewed today. An apple. Yes? So Apple starts with an A. We will say an apple, but when we speak, we will say an apple. Hospital. Hospital, remember again, place, yes? So, a hospital. And when we speak, we say a hospital, yes? A hospital. Orange. Orange is a fruit, yes? So, when we speak about one orange, an orange. An orange. Do you hear? An orange. It almost sounds like one word. An orange. Umbrella. Remember? Starts with a vowel, so we will say an umbrella. But when we speak, an umbrella. An umbrella. So, an umbrella, but when we speak, we say it fast, an umbrella. Baby. Baby starts with B, consonant B, so we will just use a baby. A baby. A baby. Now, I hope that helps you today with recognizing when do we use a and an with a singular noun, when there is only one thing, one person, one place, or one animal. When there's only one noun, we use a or an in front of the noun. Let's do them again. An ant, a ball, an egg, a park, a doctor, an apple, a hospital, an orange, an umbrella, and a baby. Thank you very much for being with me today. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to drop it at the bottom. And as always, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much, everybody, and until next time, have a great one.